guys, I'm Misako Rocks. Today we gonna draw Rapunzel, Kawaii Disney princess. Here we go. Alright, so that's the guideline. We're gonna start drawing from her pretty strong, expressive eyebrows. Usually when we draw manga characters here in my channel, you know how girls' eyebrows tend to be just much thinner, right? Softer expression. But for this, I want to go a little more stronger, expressive. Okay. Then underneath, we're going to start drawing her eyelid. So I think today's expression I want to show you is much more playful. You know, her personality is like that. So that's what we're going to show from the way she's looking at you. And let's draw heavy, more elegant eyelashes on the side. Okay, kind of like this. And then we're going to start drawing her round eyes. And it's going to be really beautiful green kind of eyes we're going to draw. So that's the eye. I'm going to go more closer like this here. Then I want you to draw bottom eyelashes. So kind of she's looking up slightly. That's what we're going to draw. Okay. Then we're going to start drawing from her other sides. And a Disney princess, the sort of common eyebrow expression is what I notice is one side slightly down, other side's kind of up when they're confident. So that's what we're going for, okay? Then we're going to start drawing from her eyelid. Okay, same thing, much wider, right? Oop, I gotta be careful. And I want to draw a little a more eyelid line, heavy, elegant, strong eyelashes on the side. Okay, then we're gonna draw her actual round eye. She's looking up here. And let's draw her bottom eyelashes. Good. Ooh, we gotta draw shiny bubble. And actually, the middle section is going to be maybe a turquoise black together. So we're just gonna leave it like this, okay? And then let's draw more bubble. I think it's more bubbles cute, especially manga characters. Yes, I know we are drawing a Disney princess, but we're gonna slightly change the style to manga. Okay, good. Then let's draw her nose right there. Okay, a little lower like this. Then she is smiling, but not just a sweet smile so much. It's more, again, playful, energetic. Well, you know her personality. If you watch their anime, it is animation, but Disney Rapunzel, Tangled, you know it. Okay, so from here goes up. So you start from a smile like here, but goes up like this. Then the bottom eyelashes, kind of like this. Good. So little the edge goes up. That's the important part. Then we're gonna start drawing her, face line, okay? Every time I making a video here, I notice I'm always touching my nose, mouth, because our cat hair is around right here. I know. So it gets a little bit annoying. Sorry about that. Here we go. So let's start drawing from her face line here. Then goes here. I want her chin to be down like that. So cheek is going to stick up, okay? It's much more kind of a fluffy. And I want... I always kind of mess up this part. I tend to press really hard when I draw this section. Sorry about that. I want to go a little softer, okay? Brush line. And the ears like this. And her hair, pretty much divided from the left area, but more airy kind of a, I mean, again, her hair is really long. So you don't want to show that she has a pretty heavy, long hair, even though she has. I want to sort of express that her hair can be kind of airy, whimsical. So we're going to start from right here. I want to have a really nice forehead line here. Go like wave like this. Here. Like that. And then let's go more. Ooh, I think we can go more. Kind of like this. And around here, can you add some flower? Okay, I'm gonna draw. Okay, I wanted to draw cherry blossom. I couldn't. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna switch to daisy. Here. Without color, I know it's kind of hard to see, but here, drawing a little leaf so you can see. Okay, here. So that side it's good. And then let's start drawing this side. And now this side, more hair goes down there. I think nice. Here. Okay. More. Kind of that. Maybe this one doesn't need to. I carried away. Sorry. Okay. Then what we're gonna draw is her hair. Since her hair is really long, but we can't draw all the way, what we're gonna do is sort of like, I'm gonna push it here. I want her hair to go down and up, and it keeps going, kind of flying. Okay, so the movement is gonna be like this, right? So what I meant is from this section, I want to go really kind of a long, but wave, okay? Whoop, here, go like that. And then let's just draw more flower. Okay, I'm gonna draw cherry blossom, but doesn't look like it. Oh, wait, cherry blossom looking. Okay, I'm gonna do more. Cherry blossom flower petal is gonna be 5 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, something kind of like that. Here, like this. Here, and then now this hair goes to the bottom side and going up. Okay. Here. Whoa. Go. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go like this. I don't have that much. I'm gonna go kind of that. Okay. Good enough. And I'm gonna draw more. Now I'm gonna draw daisy. Tons of it here. Flower, leaves, stuff like that. And then let's go, now more like go all the way up. Okay, here we go. Like this. Go here. Wow. ちょっと go. Again, I want you to draw her hair airy. That means, yes, you're gonna draw tons of hairlines, but outlines here, rounder. Okay, not straight go like this, more round hairlines. If you can draw, I think that's gonna show really nice hair movement. Kind of, I think my sample is way better. Kind of like that. What do you think? Good? Here. Okay. Okay, good. I kind of want to sort of fix this hair more like this. Okay, good. Then let's draw her neck. Yeah, neck a little too thick. Yeah. Good. And then her dress, it's gonna be a little frill. Can you see? Here. Square kind of a shape. here. And a really oversized puff sleeve dress, kind of like this here. I think this is good for today. All right, here we go. We did it. Definitely key, this hair. Then let's erase pencil lines and we're gonna start coloring. Let's go. If you like kawaii manga and animals, you love my new book, How to Draw Kawaii Manga Pets. It's packed with dogs and cats and small animals, even fantasy animals. I'm going to show you how to draw them step by step with YouTube tutorials. Scan a QR code to get your copy. And now let's get back to the video. Ta-da! We're going to start adding a skin tone and a hair. Of course, it's a beautiful blonde hair and tons of flowers and her dress pink. Okay, let's start. So first, of course, let's add a color, her skin tone. And then we're gonna add a color, her hair. But what I want you to do is sort of like, can you add a little cloud here? That's gonna be shiny spots, okay? So I kind of want you to, maybe, can you see what I did? I should use a little more orangey tone here, here. And maybe here, here, and something like that. So inside of these clouds, I don't want to add any color, but I want to use light yellow as I have blonde hair. So skin, light yellow, and have pink, nice pink dress, and a flower. You got it? You good? Okay, let's go. Alright, now we're gonna start adding a little bit of like a shadow, like around here. If you have a little darker than first yellow, more orangey or mustard yellow, what I want you to add little dark yellow, especially around flower and right behind this ear, this section, okay, and a little bit more like outside here, okay. Adding this shadow, that's gonna make this hair more like kind of like a dense and a rich, okay, and this helps this hairline is more like stand up more. Stand up, yeah, yeah. Sometimes I don't even know what did I say, but if you kind of get the idea what I'm talking about from this drawing, that's all good. So yeah, what I meant is between hairlines here and there, I want to add a more dark yellow shadow, okay? Here like that. Okay, like this. More kind of like this. See, looks really rich. Good. And if you have neon yellow color pencil, now I want you to, or metallic, I want you to add this yellow metallic or neon color inside of these clouds. Add a shiny spots, okay? Then let's add now magenta yellow, not magenta yellow, magenta pink. Do you have? Here, darker than this. I want to create this stripe here over this first pink dress we created here. Kind of like this. Something like that. I know it's not that pretty, but her dress is sort of like puff sleeves, but then stripe starts showing up. So something like this. That might be a little too strong. Hold on, let me just add more darker pink. Okay, now we're gonna add a final touch, her eyes. Okay, so first light blue, not blue, sorry, green. Not inside of a bubbles. This is especially main bubbles. Okay, then this middle section, can you use kind of a turquoise, dark green. All right, then I want to use more Christmassy green. So much, yeah, this is like leave this green, okay? Then I want to follow outline of her eyes like this. Here. Okay, this is good. And then let's use, oh yeah. Here, a little bit of gray shadow underneath eyelid. Okay, here like this. And then can you add nice rosy cheeks? Here you go. So cute, I love it. Then in the end, let's write it down, her name, Rapunzel. In Japanese, we say Rapunzel. So we pronounce Rapunzel, like crystal clear in a Japanese style. Okay, so I'm gonna write it down here. Here, Rapunzel. Okay, hey, can you see? Well, I'm gonna go slightly down there. La, pu, 次がぜ This is ぜ lu. Actually, it's funny. The Japanese title of Tangled, it's completely different. It's more describing where she lives. We said 塔の上の Rapunzel. 塔 means like this observatory. Yeah, so Rapunzel on the top of observatory, kind of like that. That's the Japanese title. Okay, but anyway, we drew super kawaii Rapunzel. Good job. Ta-ta, Rapunzel! Look at this hair. I hope you enjoyed. Yes, I did. And if you have more requests, write it down here, okay? And don't forget to like this video. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye-bye. One more thing, take a look at my book collection, my graphic novel series, Bounce Back, and activity book series, How to Draw Kawaii Manga. Arigato!